Need to cancel your AirTalk Wireless order? For digital services like plan activations, you can cancel within 14 days of purchase, thanks to the FTC's cooling off rule. Head to AirTalk's website or app. Their updated online portal, launched in March 2025, lets you cancel orders and request refunds within 30 days of activation without fees. For physical items like SIM kits, contact support immediately via phone or email. If canceling a physical order after shipment, you might need to provide proof of non-receipt. Note that a 15% restocking fee applies if physical items are returned after 7 days. AirTalk Wireless allows plan upgrades via your account dashboard with prorated billing for changes. AirTalk Wireless allows plan upgrades via your account dashboard with prorated billing for changes. Refunds are issued for overcharges or unused balances, excluding activation fees after 30 days. As of 2025, refunds for unused services are processed via ACH within 7 to 10 days. To track your order, use the unique tracking ID provided on the AirTalk website or app. This integrates with carriers like FedEx, providing real-time updates. Remember, AirTalk's terms require written confirmation for all actions to prevent disputes, so keep records of your communications. If you encounter issues, contacting their customer support is key. In case of disputes that cannot be resolved with AirTalk Wireless customer support, you can contact the FTC.